Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara, good morning. Dear students of class 9th, again I am guiding you in mathematics in exercise 13.1 of NCERT, question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the wall. Dear students, what is given here? Total cost is given. Total cost of painting is rupees 15,000 and cost per 10 meter square is equal to rupees 10. So from this cost we can find out the area of the four walls. Since rupees 10 is the cost of painting of 1 meter square, so what will be the cost, what will be the area in which rupees 15,000 cost? So we can say here rupees 10 is the cost of painting 1 meter square of the wall. Therefore rupee 1 is the cost of painting 1 upon 10 meter square of the wall. Therefore rupees 15,000 is the cost of painting 1 upon 10 into 15,000 meter square is equal to, if you cross 0 0, then we get 1500 meter square. So dear students, this 15 meter square is the area of the four walls. So we can say here area of the four walls is equal to 1500 meter square. Now area of the four walls of the rectangular hall is equal to perimeter into height. So we can say, and perimeter is over given here 215. Perimeter in the question is given 250 meter. Here given ki perimeter is given 250. So we can say here ki area of the four walls of a rectangular hall is equal to perimeter into height, that is 250 into height. And now area we have got here 1500 meter square. So this 250 into height is equal to 1500 meter square, or height is equal to 1500 by 250, 0 0 cancel, 6 meter. So height of the wall is equal to 6 meter. Now next question is question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions to 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Dear students, here the paint in the container which can paint the area is equal to 9.375 meter square, and if we convert meter square into centimeter square, we can multiply it by 100 into 100. So we can get over here 9.375 into 100 into 100 centimeter square is equal to 9375 0 0 0, and after 3 places decimal you can put over here. So you get here 93750 centimeter square. Now it means this much area can be painted from the paint which the container contains. Now we have to find out number of bricks. Then one brick will take how much area, that we have to find out. So area of one brick is equal to total surface area of the brick is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height is equal to 2 into length is over here of the brick 22.5 and breadth is 10, so length into breadth plus again breadth into 10, height 10 into 7.5 plus again length into height, so 22.5 into 7.5 centimeter square is equal to 2 into, if you multiply over here you get 225 plus 75 plus 168.75 centimeter square is equal to 2 into, and if you add these all 225 plus 75 plus 168.75, you will get over here 2 into 468.75 centimeter square is equal to, if you multiply 2 into 468.75, you get here 937.50 centimeter square. So area of one brick we have got over here 937.50 centimeter square. Now total area that paint can paint the bricks is equal to 93750 centimeter square. So we can write here number of bricks that can be painted is equal to total area the container contains the paint, that is 93750, and area of one brick, that is 937.50. If you cross it over here, you remove decimal, you give over here 100. Now 93750 will get cancelled, so 100 bricks. So we get here 100 bricks can be painted. Dear students, one question I am giving as a homework, question number 5. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box has 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box which box has the greater lateral surface area by how much, and another which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? This question you will do as a homework. Thank you.